Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to run through an energizing practice. It's going to last about 10 or 15 minutes. So we'll meet at the top of the mat. Standing in our Tadasana, our mountain pose, arms down by the sides of the body. Inhale, lift the shoulders up, and exhale, draw them down. So you're opening up into the heart, into the chest. Take 3 breaths there. On your next inhale, circle arms up above the head, gaze up towards the thumbs. Exhale, fold all the way down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold down. Maybe try to hook onto the big toes of the peace fingers. And then try to take a deeper fold. Take a deep breath here. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, bend into the knees, step back into your high plank. Take a few moments in your high plank to get yourself settled. If you find it too difficult, you can drop the knees down and take your supported plank. Take a breath in, and on the exhale, shift forward and lower down with control. Forehead to the mat, hands in beside the chest. Keep the tops of the feet pressed down into the mat. Inhale, lift the head up and peel the chest up off the mat into your cobra. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, push up through the hands. You can use the knees on the mat here if you wish, and then lift right up into your downward dog. Take a few deep breaths here. Gaze up in between the hands, and you can step, walk, or jump forward into your halfway lift. Pause there, take a breath. On your next exhale, fold down. Inhale, circle the arms, gaze up towards the thumbs. Breathing out, bringing the arms down by the sides of the body. Inhale, circle the arms up. Exhale, fold down, touch the toes. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, lower all the way down with control. Inhale, peel the chest up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, push the body up into your downward dog. Hold it here for a few deep breaths. Well done. Gaze up in between the hands, step, walk, or jump forward. Meet in our halfway lift. Exhale, fold down, hook onto the toes, lengthen the spine. Inhale, lift all the way up, gaze up towards the hands. Exhale, arms down by the sides, Tadasana. Inhale, circle the arms up. Last one. Exhale, fold down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, lower all the way down. Inhale, lift up into cobra. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, push right up into your downward dog. Pause there, take a few deep breaths. Gaze up in between the hands and step or walk forward. Meet in our halfway lift. Take a breath there. Exhale, fold all the way down, hook onto the big toes. Let your upper body dangle down. Inhale, lift the body up, gaze up towards the thumbs. Exhale, Tadasana. Hold it in your Tadasana just for a few deep breaths. And bring your hands into prayer. Step back with your right foot. Keep your right foot inwards at a 45-degree angle. Your left foot is 90 degrees. Bring your arms out nice and wide. Gazes across the left fingertips. Wrap the right arm around your lower back and wimble down towards the left side. Bring the hand either on top of the shin or down by the side of the foot. Peel back the right shoulder. And when you're ready, you can lift that right hand up towards the sky. Hold it there, 5 big breaths. Well done. Gaze down, lift right up, and just turn the feet to the opposite sides. Wrap the left arm around your lower back, wimble to the right, and Trikonasana on this side. So peel back the left shoulder, reach the left hand to the sky, and take 5 deep breaths. Gaze down, lift up, point 10 toes to the side of the mat. This time you're going to bring the arms out nice and wide, bring them around your lower back, interlace the fingers, stretch them out away from the body, lift the gaze up and open up into the chest. Take a breath here, and then breathe out, fold down. Lift the hands right up off the lower back. Take 5 big breaths here. Halfway lift, release the hands to the hips, and then lift your upper body up with control. Then you're going to turn and face to the top of the mat and step forward. Arms down by the sides of the body. Inhale, stretch the arms up towards the sky. Exhale, fold. Hook on to the big toes. Lengthen the spine. Take 5 big breaths. Inhale, just halfway lift ever so slightly, then bend into the knees, step down onto the knees, come into that tabletop position. So you're stacking the joints here, wrists underneath the shoulders and knees underneath the hips. Move through a few of your cats and cows. Inhale to dip the tummy down, lift the gaze forward. Exhale to round. Well done. Bring the spine back into a nice neutral position. And bring your right arm out to the side. Breathe in, sweep it up. Exhale, sweep it down, thread it through to the opposite side. Bring your right ear down to the mat. Extend the left arm. Hold it there, 3 big breaths into your thread the needle. Getting a nice stretch into the shoulders and into the upper back. Getting a nice detoxing twist into the torso as well and into your spine. Left arm comes down, front of the face, push up. Inhale, sweep the left arm up. Exhale, sweep it down, thread it through, left ear to the mat, and extend the right arm. Nice deep breaths. Slide that right hand back in front of the face. Push the body up, bring the big toes to touch. Bring the knees out as wide as the mat. Sit bones down on top of the heels. Extend the arms and forehead comes down to the mat. Take a few deep cleansing breaths here. And you can lift up out of that one. Thank you for joining me in this practice. It's a short, sweet, energizing practice. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy the content on my channel, then hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in next week's video.